Hello, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you this project that I made for ArtStacks. It's just a simple one, and I just wanted to play with my papers from Heather. And yeah, they are so nice to work with. And I used the hands today, and I also used some nice quotes that I really like. And yeah, so this is it, and I'm going to show you how I went about it. And this is the Faces and Figures kit from ArtStacks, and I really love working with it. And I'm going to use, as I said, the hands. I'm really bad at drawing hands myself. It's really hard to do, so I appreciate being able to use these papers. They are kind of tissue papers. So I'm just using my homemade transparent gesso to add them just randomly, because that is how I work. I'm going to use a stencil. I had this stencil for some time and I'm not sure about the brand, sorry. It's a big one, as you see, and I'm using it with modeling paste. I really like this one, but I never found some, really good use for it, I believe. So I'm trying it today to see. And of course I'm drying it, and then I'm adding water, and I'm going to use my Ecoline liquid watercolors here. So I'm starting with some of the blue, just letting it drip, and I have no idea the result. And I'm also adding the green on top because I want some kind of a, turquoise color. I love that. So I'm just letting it go where it wants to go, kind of. I can't really resist using some of the black, because I love black. I love using black. It kind of contrasts nice, in my opinion, anyway. So a lot of water and a brush and a lot of tilting. Yeah, to see what I can get. I'm also using some white gesso here to brighten up the some places, because I can get some splashes that I don't like. And I also use my fingers to kind of shade it out. I like that. I actually made a batch of my homemade white gesso also. Now I'm going to use some quotes from the kit. Not really sure where to put them here. I'm just trying out. And this is another kit that I really adore. It just contains tissue papers, tissue papers with quotes on it, and I really fell for that one. Fall down 7 times, get up 8, and that's how you do it. I really like that one. It's so true. But I'm not really sure what I want more, so I'm just adding another tiny one here. So I'm just adding it on the bottom of the page. It's okay to not know, it says, and I really like that. And yeah, I'm just splashing some white splashes with my Posca pen, and then I consider it done. And yeah, it was a simple one, not hard to make, not very complicated. I didn't even use any stamps, but I think that these papers made it, really easy, really simple, and I really love them. So I hope you enjoyed this, and that you will watch my other videos maybe if you want to, and leave me a comment and a like. Yeah, so So I look forward to play some more with the ArtStacks packs, and yeah, they are really, really beautiful. So take care out there and stay safe, and I'll see you next time in the next video, I hope. And yeah, bye.